The India AI Impact Summit 2026 is underway in New Delhi. The 5-day summit is the first ever global AI summit to be hosted in the global south. The summit will strengthen India's role as a key platform for shaping the global AI agenda. It also positions India as a convener and partner in global AI cooperation, supporting shared standards, collaborative frameworks, and scalable solutions for the public good. Over 100 countries have been invited to the summit, and more than 2 lakh people have been registered online. World leaders from 20 nations, tech moguls, AI founders, and investors are expected to arrive in New Delhi for the AI summit, potentially the largest gathering of AI luminaries to date. The External Affairs Ministry said leaders from Bolivia, Croatia, Estonia, Finland, Greenland, Guyana, Kazakhstan, Siberia, and Slovakia are also set to participate in the summit. Ministerial delegation from over 45 countries would be participating in the summit. The UN Secretary General and a senior official from several international organizations will also join the deliberations. The India AI Impact Summit 2026 is guided by 3 foundational pillars or sutras, which articulate the core principles guiding the global cooperation on AI. These are people, planet, and progress. The summit's deliberations are organized through chakras or working groups structured around 7 interconnected thematic areas. The 7 chakras include human capital, inclusion for social empowerment, safe and trusted AI, science, resilience, innovation and efficiency, democratizing AI resources, and AI for economic development and social good. The report News Now.